Production on the fourth season of Stranger Things was halted due to the pandemic back in March 2020, like so many other series. Luckily, filming started back up again in late September, which means that we're going to get more from the Upside Down when the series returns sometime in 2022. But what is the new season going to be about? And when is it actually going to premiere? Keep watching today's video to find out. David Harbour told Jimmy Kimmel Live that he thinks the show should be done shooting in August. With the normal amount of post-production work, the gap from wrap to screen on season 3 was 8 months, required for a visual effects-laced show such as Stranger Things that makes us think it's not arriving this year in 2021. There's also the latest earnings announcement from Netflix. In a letter to investors, Netflix noted, "We anticipate paid membership growth will accelerate in the second half of 2021 as we ramp into a very strong back half slate with the return of big hits like Sex Education, The Witcher, La Casa de Papel aka Money Heist, and You." We're betting that Stranger Things Season 4 is a big enough property that it would have made the list were Netflix sure it was coming that soon. Word about a delay to 2022 was first signaled by Finn Wolfhard, who told Fanmio that Season 4 it should be out sometime next year, hopefully. Maya Hawke told Collider that she's not allowed to reveal when they finish filming, so it seems Netflix wants to control all the details about production. That said, she also noted that because we had so much time, the level of effort, interest, and detail that creators, the Duffer Brothers, have had the time to put into the scripts, and the actors who have had the time to think about the characters, it's gonna be awesome. David Harbour says that Season 4 will reveal an important secret about Hopper's past. Ever since Season 1 of Stranger Things, Hopper has been a favorite character among fans. Over time, his backstory has been revealed piece by piece. Hopper's marriage fell apart after his daughter, Sarah, fell ill with cancer as a child and eventually died. Up until the events of the show's first season, Hopper lives a largely isolated and lonely existence, drinking to deal with his grief and depression while trying to keep the Hawkins Police Department in order. Other details of his past before the series began have been rare. According to Harbour, fans can expect some more big Hopper reveals in Stranger Things Season 4, including one huge secret that he and the show's creators have been keeping for years. Speaking recently with Entertainment Tonight, Harbour teased the new developments for Hopper's character. "We're going to reveal a lot of backstory points that we've only hinted at in boxes in his attic," the star said, referencing some mysterious shots from past seasons. Beyond his military history, many other things could be revealed about Hopper in Stranger Things Season 4. Most of his life remains unmentioned, aside from his time as a father, his teenage history with Joyce Byers, and the show's events. Hopper is completely blindsided by the series' supernatural and sci-fi elements, so the secret likely has nothing to do with the Upside Down or Hawkins Lab. The answer won't be revealed until Stranger Things Season 4 releases on Netflix. So that's all for today's video. Let us know your views in the comments section below. And don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.